In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background like that. Now tap on the icon of it available at the top, and to continue select Open in pop-up view in this pop-up. Now enjoy using your app in this little window. To move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it and even reshape it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. Now to minimize it, tap on Home button. Move your bubble wherever you want to, and to access your window, tap on it. Quick tip: most people miss that you can always click on the same line you are using to move your window to get access to all of those awesome options. This line here will allow you to turn your window into a bubble like Home button. This icon here will switch from pop-up to split, so tap on it, pick a second app and use both. To go back to pop-up, tap on the line and use pop-up view icon. Now, if you want to use your window in full screen view, click on this button of two arrows, and to close it fully, use this one of an X. Lastly, you can also click on this icon here on the left to switch to all of those options being at the top right corner. To hide them again, use those three dots and tap on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!